How to enable NVIDIA DLSS. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable NVIDIA DLSS for deep learning super sampling to boost your gaming performance and visual quality. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a compatible NVIDIA graphics card. So DLSS is available on NVIDIA RTX GPUs, including the 20 series and newer models. So if you're not sure, you can check your GPU model by right-clicking on your desktop, selecting the NVIDIA control panel and looking for your graphics and card information. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. You can do this by opening the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application and checking for updates. Having the latest drivers will ensure optimal performance and compatibility with DLSS. Now, launch the game you want to play. Not all games support DLSS, so check the game specifications or settings to confirm. Once in the game, navigate to the settings menu. This is typically found in the main menu or in the options section. In the settings menu, look for the graphics or video settings tab, and this is where you'll find options related to display and performance. Scroll through the graphics settings until you find the DLSS option. Depending on the game, you may see options like off, performance, balanced, and quality. Select your preferred DLSS mode. Performance will give you the highest frame rates, while quality will provide the best visuals. After selecting your DLSS option, make sure to save your changes. Some games might require you to restart for the settings to take effect, so be sure to follow any prompts that show up on your screen. Finally, play the game and monitor your performance. You should notice improved frame rates and enhanced visuals, especially in graphically demanding scenes. And that's how to enable NVIDIA DLSS. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.